Good afternoon. Welcome to day 388 at the EMA office, where we're bringing you the latest in the COVID numbers. We're going to talk about those, and then I thought I had this turned down. We're joined here with Chairman Mark Kern today, and also Randy Randolph, the operations manager. Randy, we got the numbers, and going to talk a little bit about tomorrow, a special day at the Mass site.
Yes, sir. Thank you. St. Clair County totals for today. Tested total is 317,622, and that is an increase of 817 since yesterday. For positive test results, we're reporting 25 new test results, bringing our total to 29,527. Those were males and females under the age of 1 through their 70s. Our daily county positivity rate today is 3.1%. For negative test results, we have 288,095. We're happy to report today that we have no additional deaths to report, leaving the total of citizens of St. Clair County that have lost their battle with COVID-19 at 472. Those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period is 28,769. For state totals, we've tested 20,686,198. Positive test results is 1,258,736, and that's an increase of 2,102 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did report an additional 11 deaths throughout the state, bringing the total to 21,384, and our thoughts and prayers go out to those. For hospitalization numbers, those that are currently in St. Clair County hospitals, due to COVID-related reasons, we have 21 patients and 0 patients on ventilators. Regionally, we have 40 patients admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 2 of those are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities and outbreak status, remember that these are cumulative numbers and we will only announce changes. And there is only one change today. That would be for Swansea Rehab and Care Center, is an addition of 1 case, bringing their total to 51 cases and 8 deaths. As we like to remind everyone each and every day that testing still remains vital. Only 817 people tested between yesterday and today. If you are feeling ill or maybe have been around someone that's feeling ill, it's very easy to go get tested, and doesn't cost you anything. It's free and you usually get your results pretty quickly. So we encourage that practice to continue until we get over the hump and we get the immunity throughout our area that we need to get this thing behind us. So there's a lot of options out there. We always talk about St. Clair Square being open Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from 8 to 4, as well as multiple pharmacies and urgent cares throughout the area that are providing testing. So with that, I'll turn it over to you, Chairman.
Great, Randy. And the key with immunity is beyond all the benefits to keeping people healthy and out of the hospital and certainly avoiding all of the perils that go along with COVID-19. It also helps us to be able to open up things.
Sure.
And so we are really in a holding pattern now because the state of Illinois' positivity rate has risen. So
Yes.
Getting tested not only helps isolate the virus, but if you're healthy, it certainly also shows that we've got a healthy group in St. Clair County, and that's going to help us to keep our restaurants open.
Definitely, and I know in some other areas of the state, the hospitalizations are also an issue with keeping them still closed down. And I know we talked about this earlier. Really happy to see those numbers decreasing here in St. Clair County and in the region.
Yeah,
It's great news.
I think I don't think we've seen lower hospital numbers since before Halloween. I didn't really check back today, but I know that certainly in this year we've never been at 21, and the last time we had no patients on ventilators is we're going to be taxing all our memories to try to find that. So we're headed in the right direction. We're almost there. We just have to hang on and continue to get tested, and let's get people vaccinated. That's the key. And we've got an announcement coming in a little bit after the zip code report that'll hopefully make it easier for some of you who have not gone in yet to get vaccinated. So let's take a look at the zip code report first. 62203 up 3 to 631. 62204 up 1 to 402. 62205 up 1 to 645. 62206 up 3 to 1,319. 62207 up 1 to 594. 62208 up 1 to 1,661. 62220 up 2 today to 2,118. 62221 up 2 to 2,819. 62226 up 1 to 3,245. 62258 also up 1 to 1,074. 62264 up 2 to 370. And 62269 up 1 today to 3,319. 25 new positives today in the county. 817 people got tested. That brings our county positivity down today to 3.1%. Our rolling average also is down to 3.9%. And the regional positivity actually goes up a little bit today to 3%. Bond County calls in at 0. Clinton County, 0%. Madison County was at 3.2%. So was Monroe at 3.2%. Randolph, 2.4%. St. Clair, 1.9%. And Washington County also called in at 0% today. So Herb, we're in an effort to try to make it easier and to get more needles in arms. Tell us how we're gonna accommodate people at the fairgrounds.
Well, we've been doing appointments, and we're going to continue to do that. We encourage people to make your appointments because that's really a smooth process when you've already got that appointment made. But we're going to do a hybrid try tomorrow. That if you're out and about, if you want to stop by, you can do so at the Mass site. We've got some extra staff that's going to be there between 9 and 5 p.m. tomorrow. You can come in. There will be the way we've got it set up. If you've got the appointment, you'll have your lane that you can go in and get your appointment done, still in your car. But if you're just out driving by and you say, hey, I haven't got my vaccination yet, so I'm going to stop in there. We'll have the staff there. They'll get you registered right then and there. Might take a few moments longer, but a lot of people just driving by and see the sign there and want to come in and get it done. So we're going to try it tomorrow. If it works out, then that's something we will expand for other days. I got to give Mila and the health department staff putting this together because we talked about it yesterday, and they called today and said we think we can accommodate it. So the bottom line is we want to put needles in arms. So whatever way we can come up with to do that, that's what we want to do.
So they'll still remain in their car.
Still remain in the car.
So it'll just be there's an express lane. Express lane will be if you signed up already and you've got the little code on your phone, you'll zip on through as normal. If you haven't signed up and you just want to drive through, then they'll sign you up and you'll be in a little different line. But hopefully we'll be able to get you through just about as quickly as you would expect at that efficient operation at the fairgrounds.
Well, and again, we couldn't do it without the help of the National Guard, with all of the medical staff there, the health department. So we've got the capacity there. We've got the vaccine. So like I said, our bottom line is we want to get as many people vaccinated as possible. So whatever ideas we can come up with to do that, hopefully people will take advantage of that tomorrow, and that we can say, let's do this a few more days a week and do it. Yeah, Brian?
Questions on here. They're still required to be an Illinois resident or
Yes.
employed in Illinois, correct?
Yes, have to be Illinois residents or work in Illinois.
And be above 16.
and
It's a
above 16.
Pfizer day tomorrow, isn't that right, Brian?
Tomorrow is a Pfizer day.
Yes.
So it's a
And
Pfizer
and
day.
a student is in Illinois, right? Is that
Correct, yeah, if they go to school in Illinois.
Right. So, just stop in tomorrow. We'll be there, and like I said, we want to get as many people done as possible. Everybody is friendly down there. We aim to please, and that's what we want to do. As you heard Randy say, and the chairman, come on down. The call center is still operating. I was in there several times a day, and a lot of yous are making those appointments. Team St. Clair spreading the word, and please do that. Spread the word tonight. if you haven't made that appointment, you want to just stop by tomorrow between 9 and 5, you can get registered right there at the mass site and get your shot, the first dose of it, and we'll get that done. We're going to be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and then we'll be back tomorrow for day 389. Everybody have a good night. Thank you.
We must find a way to live with COVID-19 until a vaccine is ready. One proven thing we know is that masks do work. By wearing a mask, you can do your part to help your community by limiting the spread of the virus and thus helping our businesses remain open and our hospitals able to handle the capacity. To get through this virus, we must work together as a team, and you should do your part by wearing your mask, washing your hands, and watching your social distancing.